Good morning, hoBROs. Today we're going to do a little DIY project. You see, you guys know I'm a Georgia graduate, University of Georgia, class of 94, 95-ish. I got my Georgia hat on, my Georgia shirt, even got my Georgia shoes. So what I'm doing today is I broke a rocking chair. So I bought my sister this new Georgia rocking chair. See, it's pretty. See a little Georgia emblem on there. Got that from Cracker Barrel. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take this glider here and I'm going to paint it to match that Georgia rocker. So as you can see, some of the things we need to get started here are some outdoor acrylic latex paintbrush, some sandpaper, and some good old-fashioned Rust-Oleum spray paint. All, of course, in our favorite Georgia Bulldog red. Go Dogs! As you can see, here is our lovely specimen. Some people call this a glider, some call it a rocker, some call it a rocking swing, but you get the picture. Now, the first thing we got to do, in the words of Johnny 5 from Short Circuit, is disassemble, which we're going to use these channel locks with this spider web or cat fur on it to do that. As you can see, this is very simply held together by these tiny little bolts. Here, that's all that's holding that puppy together. So let's have at it. I couldn't find the proper socket, so I'm just using an old school open-end wrench to take these rusty old bolts off one by one. I have liberated the seat portion from out of the holder position thingy. That's the technical term. So now we have to go inside there and start taking off these little bolts one by one to get these wood planks off of there so that we can clean it, sand it, and paint it. It's going to take a while. Turns out all these little guys that are holding these wood planks together is 11 millimeter. So let's get started on that. Alright, so as you can see, we're about halfway through the disassemble process, and to be honest with you, this is mostly aesthetic. The glider was structurally sound, so I'm doing a light sanding, and I'm going to replace all the hardware, the nuts and bolts and stuff. But it's mostly aesthetic. I'm going to paint it. As you can see, I got it prepped here. These metal pieces for painting. You can see there's rust there still. And there's some wood pieces. Still some stubborn pieces here I got to figure out what to do with. But basically, you know, I'm taking it apart. I'm cleaning it. I'm sanding it a little bit. I'm not replacing really anything other than the hardware. And then we're going to go from there. So wish me luck, hoBROs. Some of these little guys here continue to be stubborn, so they're spinning. So I'm going to try a little good old-fashioned WD-40. And whoa, look at that, went the wrong way. And see if that helps at all. And then try it again in a minute. Let the games begin, boys. Alright folks, so it's about the halfway point. As you can see there, I've got that. I decided to leave that bench together, and honestly, when I used to grow up and build model cars, I was the kid that could never let the glue set all the way, and the stickers were always mucked up because I would never wait for them to dry and I'd start moving them and they'd crinkle and rip. Same with my do-it-yourself. I'm not the greatest. I don't advise that. Take more time. Be patient. But for me, I'm a hoBRO. I'm just trying to make it look nicer. I'm having a beer in the shade to mark the halfway point, and I'll see you on the flip side, bros. Ooh, look at that. Whoa, big buddy. Whoa, buddy. Remember, you too can do this with your favorite team, your favorite colors. Just pick out the color scheme you like. Doesn't even have to be a team, just could be whatever color you like. Grab some stickers, and paint away. First coat is done. Whoa. I gotta flip them over and do the other side. Let them dry overnight probably and do it again tomorrow. Oh bros, look at me, I look like a serial killer here. I got red paint all over myself. I've done the next to last coat here. It's all looking pretty sharp here, as you can see. Nice and red. I'll probably do one more quick touch-ups and let it sit overnight. I'm about to go to Lowe's and get some new hardware for this son bitch, and then tomorrow, which will still be in the same video, we'll put it back together. Here we are, Lowe's. Looking. We got all our bolts. We ended up getting the 5/8, 1/4 inch, and a ton of other stuff. The final paint job. Decided I'd paint the post too. Why not? Good morning, hoBROs. As you can see, we're in the assemble phase. Over there where we painted looks like the bloody Valentine's Day massacre. I've got that piece together. This piece is mostly together. Now comes the hard part where we gotta strap it on the actual rockers and put the washers in, and hopefully I didn't mess that up and the whole thing just falls apart like you see in Chitty Chitty Bang Bang or something like that. So on to that next. Alright my hoBROs, are you ready to see the finished product? Here we go.